Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to drill into wood. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have a drill with a drill bit attached to it, and I have a piece of wood. It's actually a couple of different types of wood that I've nailed together just for demonstration purposes for various types of videos. So drilling into wood is fairly simple and straightforward. You want to get your drill and you want to make sure your drill bit is nice and securely attached to the drill. Then you want to figure out where you need to drill into it, and you want to make a mark on the piece of wood. Now, just to make it nice and simple, I'm just going to make a mark with the drill bit itself, but usually I would use a marker or a pencil or something, or even a pen to make that mark. Now, you want to place the drill bit on top of the mark, and you want to make sure your drill bit, or your drill I should say, is set to the forward motion, and you want to make sure that it's nice and level. So I'm drilling down, so I'm going to make sure my drill is nice and plumb. If I was drilling straight forward, I would make sure that it's level. Conveniently, this drill also has a level on it, which makes it a lot easier. But we're drilling down, so we're going to make sure that it's nice and straight. If your drill bit is not straight into the wood and you angle it a little too much and you rotate it a bit too much, it might snap off. So I have my mark over here. Now when we're ready to drill into the wood, we're going to drill slowly at first. We're not just going to go full throttle. We want to go slowly to get our mark, just like that. Now as you can see, okay, I'm going to pull it out. You regularly wouldn't be pulling it out, but as you can see, I have placed a nice marking on the wood, and it's ingrained a little bit, so you can see that the drill bit actually goes right in there. So it just makes it a little bit easier to get a nice solid hole. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go a little bit faster. You don't have to go as fast as the drill can, and we're going to apply very little pressure, not a lot of pressure, because we want the drill bit to be doing the majority of the work instead of our hand or our pressure. So we're going to go a little bit faster. You don't have to go full speed, a little bit faster, okay? And unfortunately, the battery for my drill just died. But I think we've gotten the point across. That is how to drill into wood. You can go ahead and drill all the way through if you want, or you can stop at a certain point. It kind of depends on what you need to do. So like I said, it all depends on if you want to keep drilling all the way through or not. I will say one other thing, and that is that if you're drilling with a bigger drill bit, so let's say that I was drilling with something like this, okay? Much bigger drill bit. This is a 1/2-inch drill bit. It's really, really big. It's hard to drill directly into wood using a large drill bit like that right away. What you need to do is you need to do something slightly different. So what you would have to do is you would have to get a smaller drill bit, like the one that's on there right now, or like a different drill bit over here, something smaller, and you would drill what is like a pilot hole first. So you drill something like this first, okay? And then you would go with your larger drill bit, and then you would use this as your center guidance, and you'd continue drilling down in that spot, and it would just make the hole bigger. And that's because if you try and use something like this right away, it will drill through, but it will really put some strain on the drill, on the battery, and on the drill bit, and it might tear off a lot of pieces of the wood, which, you know, like I said, it would, like, you know, this is an example of something that would tear off. It would really not look great. So that's basically it. That is how to drill into wood. I've shown you exactly how to do it. I'm sorry that my battery for my drill died. I do have another one in the car, but, you know, I really got the point across for how to do it, so I feel like there's no real reason to go to the car right now, pause the video, just to continue showing you that I'm gonna just drill further down. Yeah, that's basically it. I've shown you how to drill into wood, and I've shown you what to do if you're using a larger drill bit just like that. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.